Auto forward reverse motor installation. You're wondering how can it be automatic? Yes, it's automatic, but in this video it is programmed using PLC. So first we'll have to install our power circuit. Then for the control circuit we are going to use a program run from the PLC. That's the programmable logic circuit. You can see it here. This one will interpret the program, and it will run the motor both in forward and in reverse using a timer as the time delay between the stop and then the reverse. So you can see this, the program has already been written by one of my previous students, and now they're executing it. They are now going to run it, and then once it's executed, as you can see it, they're doing it. So applying it, it's ready. You can see it now execute to the PLC. Yes. So with the right power circuit connection and with the right program, the motor is going to run both in forward and in reverse with just little delay, with the aid of time delay. And in that case, you'll have achieved to run your motor in programmable manner or in automatic. You only need to do it first for the manual, then thereafter it's automatic. You'll be seeing it shortly. You can see now the output of the PLC going to feed the input of the control of the power, and then upon pressing the toggle switch, the motor runs, and it runs automatically in forward, and then the timer will exchange for the reverse, and that's all. So if you found this interesting, please like, follow, subscribe, and also send a gift if you're here on TikTok. Thank you. Sure, the motor plates terminals are connected in Delta as well, so that it can run effectively without hiccups. Doing it in star, it is running and overheating at the same time, and we don't need to spoil the motor. So do it in Delta, then ensure the power circuit is well connected effectively. As you can see, the motor is running automatic. No one that is forcing it, because it doesn't have the push button for the forward and the reverse and the stop like that. Upon just pressing the toggle switch, as you can see, everything runs automatically. Thank you.